Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're over here at a customer's house. We're trimming some trees. As you can see right here, a bunch of these trees are overhanging the driveway. So we're going to trim those up. And then they can park.
How a horse does it right here. 400-pound log was good with it. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, we're getting stuff cleaned up over here. We got Kobe raking up a little excess limbs that we got. We're going to take a little trip to the dump here in a second. The trailer's getting pretty full right now, so I don't know if we have much room left. It doesn't look like. We're going to have to make 2 trips. You can see it's coming out the top right there. So just for safety purposes, we're going to smash it down a little bit more, but for safety purposes on the streets, we don't want stuff flying out. So we've got this little bit of pile when we get back. We got to do a little bit of mulch for them anyway, so we got to go get mulch. So we're just going to dump, get some mulch, come back, finish the little mulch beds that they wanted to done. But everything turning out pretty nice. The driveway, you could barely even pull a car in here before we started. They were complaining that the UPS drivers were hitting it with their truck, and now you can see that there's a big opening now. We cut a bunch of limbs up, so now everything's lifted up. They're good to go. They can run their mowers through here without having to duck for the branches and everything else. So I'll hit you with another video once we get everything cleaned up.
Dumping up the dump, we did a free job. Got a full load today. About to dump the bad boy, hopefully got enough juice in the battery. Open these doors. Always want to make sure you latch it. If you don't latch this right here, it'll rip the doors right off. So make sure it latches. With that big load. Man, to not lose any sticks on the way. Save on the branches. I'll back it up a little bit more, get a better position. Alright, going up. Bada bing, bada boom.
Alright, we're just touching up the garden beds. We're at this tree trimming job right here. We forgot the shovel. We were going to get some bags, but it made more sense since we were already going to dump everything. We were going to have a clean bed of the truck anyway, just to get some bulk, save some money. So we didn't have a shovel, so we're borrowing a shovel from the homeowners. Hook this up. So just a half a yard of mulch, just a little bit in the front. So we're going to have a little bit extra. So we're going to help them out and do a little extra with the garden beds than what they asked for. Yeah. Customer service. Get that content. Sometimes you got to use your hands and hand throw it down there. That way you don't dump it half in the grass and half everywhere else. Keep it nice and clean.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing it for a long time, about 10 years, but I started my business 5 years ago, so I had a baby on the way, so we had to make ends meet and get a little extra cash on the side. So, and then I was making more money. One thing with trimming these trees, you got some of that dead wood, and whenever they drop a lot of these little tiny branches. So you gotta make sure you rake them up, keep the yard nice and clean. Put them on the tarp. Make sure there's no residue from all these limbs that have fallen down. Just rake it into piles. And put it on the tarp, drag it, have someone help you lift it with the trailer.
Not I.
Yeah, that's Kobe right there for you. You want to show them the mulch you just spread, Kobe?
Yeah.